The following are the top 5 ways to ensure success in the competitive exams. First, develop a study schedule. It's essential to create a study schedule and stick to it. A consistent study routine will help you cover all the subjects and topics within the time frame. You should dedicate a specific number of hours to studying each day and allocate more time to subjects that you find challenging. Practice past papers. Practicing past papers is one of the best ways to prepare for competitive exams. It helps you familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and the types of questions that may come up. Make sure to practice under timed conditions to get a feel for the real exam. Get a good night's sleep. A good night's sleep is crucial for your brain to function at its best. Ensure that you get enough restful sleep in the days leading up to the exam. Avoid studying until the wee hours of the night before the exam and instead try to get a good night's sleep. Stay positive and focused. Competitive exams can be stressful, but it's essential to stay positive and focused. Visualize yourself performing well in the exam and try to stay motivated throughout the preparation period. Avoid negative thoughts and distractions and stay focused on your goal. Seek help if needed. If you find certain subjects or topics challenging, don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, mentors, or tutors. There's no shame in asking for help, and it can significantly improve your chances of success. Also, consider joining a study group or forming one with friends to discuss and share notes.